Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to force start an application on your Steam Deck. So if it's not starting up, press the Steam button, open up this window and go down to Power. And tap this, go to Switch to Desktop, and switch to the desktop mode of the Steam Deck. And then we want to download something. So let's go to Discover here on the bottom, open this up, and I already have the app installed. We want to get specifically Proton up. So I'll go to it, I'll show you the name. Type in this exact name right here in the discovery, Proton up. You can just type that in right here. So let's go to it. Press X. Here's the keyboard, Proton up. And it should display. Now I already have it on installed, so it's not going to pop up when I press this. Nope, actually here it is, Proton up. Press B to close that. Install this, and this will allow us to force games to launch. So you can launch it right here, and then I can switch back to the game mode. There's one more step that you want to go ahead and do. You want to force games to open up with the compatibility tool in the Steam game dropdown. So let's switch on over to the game mode. So once this opens up, we have to press the button with the three little lines on it right here over a game, and then we can go to properties. So this is starting up right now. Good. So here's Rocket League. Let's go to multiverses, for example. Press this button. Go on down to properties. Press A on this. Go to compatibility. Then go to force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. Then we go to Proton Experimental, and we have all the different versions of Proton. So if one version doesn't work, you could try one of the other versions. Tap that, go back, then you can start the game up and see if it works. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.